Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Take-Two card game. The primary objective is to be the first player to successfully get rid of every card in your hand. This engaging game is a shedding-type card game, much like Crazy Eights, and is perfect for 2 to 8 players. You will use 1 or 2 standard 52-card decks, depending on the number of participants, matching cards by suit or rank to the discard pile. To begin, grab a standard 52-card deck. If you have more than 4 players, consider using 2 decks. Shuffle the cards well, then deal 7 cards to each participant. Once everyone has their hand, place the rest of the deck face down in the center to create the draw pile. Finally, turn over the very top card from the draw pile to kick off the discard pile, ready for play. During your turn, play 1 or more cards from your hand onto the discard pile. Your card must always match either the suit or the rank of the top card. A neat trick is playing multiple cards if they all share the same rank. If you cannot make a valid play, simply draw 1 card. If the drawn card is playable, you may play it. Otherwise, your turn concludes. Certain cards have special powers to spice up the game. A 2 makes the next player draw 2 cards, which can stack if they also play a 2. An ace is wild, allowing you to choose the next suit. Playing an 8 skips the next player's turn, and a 10 reverses the game's direction. The ultimate goal is to be the first to play all your cards, declaring you the winner of that round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.